In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a multi-radio dropdown in Webflow. So the first thing that we'll need to do is add an element, and the first element that we will be adding is a form block. Now add a form block, and next thing that we will add is a dropdown. So search for dropdown and place it anywhere as an example. So I'll just place it on the bottom of the submit button. And the next thing that we'll need to do is expand the drop down element and also expand the navigation. So here we will be deleting all of the links. So let's delete link 1 and link 2. And the next thing that we'll add is a div block. Now let's place the div block inside the navigation tab or the navigation bar. And what we will do next is we will place all the multiple radio buttons on the div block. So let's add radio buttons and just search for radio on the element and drag it under the div block and add another button. So let's just put 3 buttons and add another one. Okay, so now that we have all 3 radio buttons, all we need to do next is preview our site. So once we preview it and click on the dropdown, you will see all of the 3 radio dropdowns. And that's about it. That's how to make a multi-radio dropdown in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.